Alright, again, you are welcome on this channel. Tugaye ikaze kuri iyi channel, aho tugiye kurebera hamwe interuro wakwifashisha uvuga Icyongereza. Let me tell you, it is easy to be able to speak English when you know sentences which are used. Biroroshe kuvuga Icyongereza mu gihe uzi interuro zikoreshwa. Uyu munsi rero tugiye komeza kugenda tureba interuro zigufasha kuvuga Icyongereza mu buzima busanzwe. Ni interuro zikoreshwa mu buzima busanzwe nizo tugiye kuba tureba. Niba wakunze iri somo ushobora kuduha like ndetse ukarisangiza undi muntu uzi ko ashaka kwiga Icyongereza. Ikindi nanone twakubwira yuko uzakomeza kugenda ubona andi masomo hano. Ariyo mpamvu ukwiye kuba wakora kuri subscribe kugira ngo buri gihe dushizeho isomo ujye ubimenyeshwa. Alright, let's start. Reka dutangire. Interuro ya mbere ni please call an ambulance. Please call an ambulance. Ndagusabye hamagara imbangukiragutabara. Please call an ambulance. Please call me later. Please call me later. Ndagusabye uze kumpamagara nyuma. Please call me later. Ndagusabye uze kumpamagara atari nonaha. Please carry on. Please carry on. Nyaboneka komeza. Please carry on. Please clean the bathroom. Please clean the bathroom. Ndagusabye sukura ubwiherero. Please close the door. Nyaboneka funga umuryango. Please close the door. Please close your books. Please close your books. Mufunge ibitabo byanyu. Please close your books. Turikoresha please kubera ko iyo ushaka kuvuga ushizemo ikinyabupfura wifashisha iri jambo please. Rero mugendaza kwandi kubisobanura nshatse nayishyiramo akubwira ati nyaboneka cyangwa se ndabasabye cyangwa se sinyishiremo kuko mu Kinyarwanda hanini ntayo dukoresha, so ni ntayishyiramo umenye impamvu ntari kwishyiramo. Please come back soon. Please come back soon. Uze kugaruka vuba cyangwa se ntuze gutinda. Please come back soon. Please come here. Please come here. Ngwino hano. Please come in and sit down. Please come in and sit down. Injira wicare. Sit down uravuze ngo icara hasi, ariko iyo tuvuze ngo come and sit down ntabwo bivuze ngo ngwino wicare hasi, ubwo biravuze ngo ngwino wicare. Please come outside. Please come outside. Sohoka cyangwa se ngwino hanze. Please come to my birthday party. Please come to my birthday party. Uzaze mu birori by'isabukuru yanjye y'amavuko. Please come to my birthday party. Please come to the point. Please come to the point. Rasa ku ngingo. Please come to the point. Uri kuganira n'umuntu noneho ubonye ari guca ku ruhande ukamubwira ati rasa ku ngingo. Rasa ku ngingo. That is please come to the point. Please control yourself. Please control yourself. Igenzure. Hari ubona umwe n'umuntu akaba ari kugira amahane ashaka kurwanya abandi bantu ukaba mubwira ati please control yourself. Igenzure. Please don't annoy me. Please don't annoy me. Wimbangamira. Please don't annoy me. Please don't argue with me. Please don't argue with me. Wintonganya. Please don't argue with me. Please don't ask me anything. Please don't ask me anything. Ntugire icyo mbaza. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? ese wabasha gutwara imodoka? Can you drive a car? Careful, the cup is very hot. Careful, the cup is very hot. Itonde, igikombe kirashushe cyane. Come at once if convenient. Come at once if convenient. Uhituza niba bikwiriye. Can I see your ID please? Can I see your ID please? Ese nabona indangamuntu yawe? Can I see your ID please? Can I speak to John please? Can I speak to John please? Ese navugana na John? Could we have some coffee? Could we have some coffee? Ese mwaduha ikawa? Could we have some coffee? Could you drive a little faster? Could you drive a little faster? Ese wakwihuta? Could you help me please? Could you help me please? Ese wamfasha? Could you help me please? Could you please make it fast? Could you please make it fast? Ese wakwihuta? Could you repeat that please? Could you repeat that please? Ese ibyo wabisubiramo? Could you repeat that please? Could you spell that please? Could you spell that please? Ibyo wabivuga inyuguti ku yindi? Could you spell that please? Deposit this money in the bank. Deposit this money in the bank. Aya mafaranga uzi kuyashyira muri banke. Did he ask anything about me? Did he ask anything about me? Hari icyo yambajijeho? Did he go to see his parents? Did he go to see his parents? Yagiye kureba ababyeyi be. Did he go to see his parents? Did I say something wrong? Did I say something wrong? Hari ikintu kibi nigeze mvuga? Did I say something wrong? Did it rain in Bugesera yesterday? Did it rain in Bugesera yesterday? Imvura yaraguye ejo mu Bugesera. Did you come with your family? Did you come with your family? Wazanye n'umuryango wawe. Did you do this on your own? Did you do this on your own? Ibi warabyikoreye. Did you do well in the interview? Did you do well in the interview? Byagenze neza muri interview. Did you have a good journey? Did you have a good journey? Wagize urugendo rwiza. Did you play cricket well today? Did you play cricket well today? Wakinye cricket neza uyu munsi. Did you play cricket well today? Did you wake up just now? Did you wake up just now? Ubyutse nonaha. Did you wake up just now? Did you watch the news today? Did you watch the news today? Warebye amakuru uyu munsi? Did you watch the news today? Did your job interview go well? Did your job interview go well? Ibazwa ryawe ry'akazi ryagenze neza. Did your job interview go well? Didn't you play well today? Didn't you play well today? Ntabwo wakinnye neza uyu munsi. Do dogs talk to each other? Do dogs talk to each other? Imbwa ziravugana. Do snakes have ears and nose? Do snakes have ears and nose? Inzoka zigira amatwi n'amazuru. Do snakes have ears and nose? Do trains have a wheels? Do trains have a wheels? Gari ya moshi zigira amapine. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. Ukore ibyo ushaka gukora. Do whatever you want to do.
Wait. Here with me, I have books. Mufitiye ibitabo. This is vocabulary book. Igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. This is dictionary of English and Kinyarwanda. Niba mugiye kuvuga Icyongereza amagambo akubana makeya, this is a book that can help you. Igitabo cyagufasha mu gihe uri kuvuga ntabwo ukeneye kuba uri gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha. You have to keep speaking, and this is the book that will help you with that. Iki gitabo kizagufasha ibyo. Ikindi, niba uri umutangizi ukaba ushaka kuzamura urwego rwawe rw'Icyongereza, this is Begin Smart to End Smart with more than 200 pages, pages zirenga 200. Harimo Icyongereza ndetse gisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. 200 pages, harimo amasomo yibanze yose ku muntu ushaka gutangira ku Icyongereza, ateguye neza ku buryo wumva ibyo uri kwiga ukabisobanukirwa. Iki gitabo niyo waba usanzwe uzi Icyongereza ushaka kuvuga ngo reka nige Icyongereza nkihereye mu mizi, cyagufasha. And again, if you have a problem to describe the actions, niba ugira ikibazo cyo kubasobanurira ibikorwa uri gukora, dufite igitabo kirimo verbs, inshinga. Harimo regular verbs, inshinga zikurikiza amategeko, hakabamo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'Icyongereza, modal verbs. Iki gitabo cyagufasha ugashobora gusobanura ibikorwa biri kuba, ibikorwa byabaye, ibikorwa bizaba. Ukeneye kuba wasobanura ibikorwa, iki gitabo cyagufasha. Harimo inshinga, buri nshinga isobanuye mu Kinyarwanda ndetse tukaguha n'urugero kuri buri nshinga. This book can help you to describe the actions. Tukaba tugufite igitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro by'Icyongereza ndetse bisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda kuri topics zigiye zitandukanye, ku ngingo zigiye zitandukanye. Iki gitabo cyagufasha kuko iyo tuvuga dukoresha ibiganiro. Iki gitabo rero kirimo ibiganiro ndetse bisobanuye mu Cyongereza no mu Kinyarwanda. If you need one of our books, uba ukeneye kimwe muri ibi bitabo cyangwa se byose ukaba ubikeneye, watumenyesha kuri 0780 29 3 1 1 2. Let's continue the lesson.